Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I didn't upload many videos lately, and I didn't upload any this summer because of the project I'm told you that I was working on. So here in the back you can see I've been leveling the ground, and I did get about 2 loads of truck here to level this. And yes, we have some snow. We're the 30th of October today, and yeah, so the place here is for my new toy that I got, that I built. I will show you in a moment. Mike's from Grumpy's workshop. I think you did guess what it was. My sister gave me a few tractors here, so I need to fix them. I have a lot of work, and I did level the ground here with a backhoe. I will tell you a little trick. I did put the level with a magnet here, so the magnet level gave me the level I need. So when I swap the ground with the bucket there, it gets it level. A few of you asked for this part here. I will make some this winter. I will try and find a way to get them sent in the mail. It's quite difficult. Here is the little project I've been working on, guys. It's a sawmill, bandsaw mill. So it will cut 26 foot long and 6 inches by 43 inch in diameter. Yeah, so this is it. This is the 20 foot section here, and there's a 10 foot section there that will bolt on it at the end. I did remove this part here because I did get the saw head out from the shed there. I did try to cut this piece here, guys. I restarted the video because I ran out of gas. Yeah, my dad is laughing. I was wondering what is going on. Well, I ran out of gas because I did cut some piece of 2x3, 2x4. I have a 2x5 and some 1 inch by 5 inch board and a 1 inch by 4 inch board there. So it worked pretty nice. Here I have a solution of 2 gallons of water with 2/3 of windshield washer and about a spoon of soap. And I have a valve there. I have another one here. So this motor, it's a snowblower engine. It didn't came with the throttle. I did put one. There's an electric start. A friend of mine told me I could remove this and put the 12 volt there. It would fit. I need to find the right one, but here I did change the pulley. In part 1 and 2 you will see the old pulley. It was 2 inch and 3/4. This is 3.8 inch diameter. This one is 18 and 3/4, and the 2 inside here are 18 and 3/4 wheels. The blade is Ripper 37. It's a 1 inch and 1/4 blade by 148 inch long blade. I have my dripping there, bearing there, and I have the exhaust here for the sawdust. It worked pretty nice. I was surprised the first test I did. My neighbor came and was really pleased to see it work. Me too. I think my dad is quite proud too. So I will start it. I need to show you this here, guys. It's here. Let me. Okay. I don't see. I need to turn my. It's a water pump handle, an old water pump handle. It works pretty nice to push the saw head here. I did take this little torque key here, torque the blade at 35 foot-pound. So I will put my camera on the camera holder here. I will try to recut that piece of log with gas now. So I will try to start the motor. I don't know if it will start easily. So guys, if some of you are familiar with sawmill, you might ask why the log is not on the other side, and the blade is running that way. I did try it this way because when your blade gets in the wood, this way it's clean. You do your first cut, you turn it, and then you don't hit any barks. So if there's some rock in the bark, you will get it through your piece of wood and you will dull your blade. And this way I don't have any more rocks, any more dirt. So that's the reason I did try it this way. It's just a test I'm doing. I have, let me show you here. You see there, I have another log holder there. So if it doesn't work, I'm always able to turn my log dog around and do it the other way, but it seems to work pretty nice. The piece of wood doesn't look like it's moving. So we'll finish to cut this piece here. So guys, this is it. 3 planks of 1 inch by 5 inch and a 2 by 5. I'm only allowed with it to cut 2 inch thick, so I need to do some 2 inch thick when I finish, but I'm able to get some 1 inch board and any size when I cut. And here I have a 10 inch from the blades there. You can see from the blade up to the top I have a 10.5 inch clearance, so that's pretty nice. Between here and there I have 24 inch and I have a 31 inch cut. So if you have any question, put them down, and in the comments below put a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I will make a walk around of the sawmill in the future videos, and I will make some videos with it up there where it will sit. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I build the sawmill, guys. Hope you find it cool. I did want to build this a few years ago and I didn't take the time. I should. It costs about it cost me about $3,000 up to $4,000. I need to do the math every parts. I will try to make some drawings. I did draw it by hands, not a computer. I didn't buy any plans for it. As you can see, it's not conventional because usually it's on the other side, and works pretty nice. The engine, I was scared a few moments ago because the engine stopped. There was no more gas in it, but it's working pretty nice. It's a Bridge & Stratton. Those engine are quite reliable. There's even a little 12-volt here I can take out and charge a battery, but my friend who talked about the starter there said you could get another. There's another model of coil inside of there. They're pretty expensive. You have one in hands, so I might buy it from him. I could charge a battery and put a 12-volt starter there. So I did put a row here to measure my cut. So that's it for now. Thanks again. Bye.